Hello friends, welcome to Money Agritech. We set up maize or corn for long rain maize season. This was done alongside yours so that we can compare. We did this so that we can compare our results with yours. To give all of us hope, we know for sure that about 70% of you got it right. However, approximately 30% of us got it wrong. Ours, as is the norm, is to share with you how to do it the right way. To show you how others failed and to share with you how others succeeded. As we proceed, take 5 seconds to subscribe to our channel. This allows you to be notified whenever we upload a new farming video. Success in farming is very sweet, and especially if it is success in maize farming. And with that, we will have helped you get it right next time. As we always say, to succeed in maize farming, do it right the first time. Now, let us have a quick recap of the events that happened during this maize farming project. Remember, this is in the best interest of all farmers doing maize farming as a business. These are the steps we followed. We started with first plowing. And when plowing, we use whatever plowing implement available to you. It could be tractor, pulled disc, or moldboard plows. It could be small handheld tillers. Others would use ox plows. And even others would dig the farm by using jembes or hoes. After that, allow weeds to dry and decompose using a short dry period that normally follows. Then allow the weeds to grow. Normally, a very short rain season appears of about 1 week or 2 weeks, which allows weeds to grow. After that, apply herbicides that kill couch grass and other growing weeds. Then do second plowing. Second plowing incorporates dry and decomposing plants into the soil. After second plowing, harrow the farm, then plant your seed immediately. Don't forget to use certified hybrid long season maize seed. I want to ask you to observe standard spacing allowed for professional maize farming. Don't just plant anyhow. Ideal spacing is relative, and we can have several spacings that are acceptable professionally. Let us discuss the two common ones. First is 75 centimeters or 2.5 feet from row to row, and 25 centimeters or 0.8 feet from plant to plant within the row. One seed per hole or planting station. Second spacing type is 75 centimeters or 2.5 feet from row to row, and 50 centimeters or 1.6 feet from one planting station to another within the row. 2 seeds per planting station or hole. Plant population per row for one seed per hole is 253. Plant population per row for 2 seed per hole is 254. Number of rows, 85. Plant population per acre for one seed per hole is 21,505. That is one seed per hole. Plant population per acre when you are using a spacing of 2 seed per hole is 21,590. And converted, what it means is that plant population per hectare is 53,099 one seed per hole, and plant population per hectare if you are using 2 seed per hole is 53,309. Planting fertilizer should be that which contains high phosphate. In our case, we normally use DAP 46% P. You can as well use a blend of 23-23-0, but quantity will be higher because of low percentage of phosphate. For us, we applied 5 grams per plant, and total was 106 kilograms per acre. After that, you will be required to spray pre-emergent or early post-emergent herbicides. This should be done before 5-leaf stage, as long as soil has moisture. Before 5-leaf stage means you can spray from day of planting, before germination, or after germination until 5-leaf stage. If these herbicides are sprayed when soil is not moist, they will not work. Then we applied top dressing fertilizer at 6 weeks. In our case, we used urea, which contains 46% nitrogen. Rate was 5 grams per plant, and total per acre was 107.5 kilograms, or 2.1 bags of 50 kilograms. We repeated this 2 weeks later with the same amount of top dressing fertilizer. Note, however, that if you use 2 seed per hole, fertilizer per planting station or hole is 10 grams. Take time to subscribe to our channel if you are new, or if you have not done that already. Since we have not harvested, our anticipated yield is 6,350.5 kilograms per acre. This gives yield of 71 bags of 90 kilograms dry maize per acre. As you can all see, maize farming is an enjoyable venture if you do it right. So, at current price of 3,500 Kenya shillings, or $27.34 per bag of 90 kilograms dry maize, gross return per acre will be 250,891 Kenya shillings. This is equivalent to 1,960 US dollars. Net profit after all expenses have been deducted will be 198,891 Kenya shillings per acre. This is equivalent to 1,553 US dollars net profit per acre. This you can achieve in 5 months of farming maize. If you do just 10 acres, you can spend 520,000 Kenya shillings, equivalent to 4,062 US dollars. Net profit will be 1,988,916 Kenya shillings from 10 acres. For those using US dollars, this is equivalent to 15,538 US dollars net profit from 10 acres of land in 5 months. As you can see, farming maize is a profitable venture, but only if you know how to do it right. That is why we take time to talk about this subject again and again until all the farmers get it right. A caution to all farmers is that always farm the size of land you can be able to manage. Thank you